What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Lovesick by Trippie. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. I'll run over your favorite game console with the f***ing lawnmower. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, so this song is in standard tuning, and it's using a few different chords that just repeat. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, I will leave them in the video description for you, so if you need them, once you get done, jump into the video description. The chord diagrams will be there for you, as well as the free ebook that's titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be a C sharp minor 7, which is going to be 0, 4, 6, 4, 5, 4. So bar that 4th fret with your index finger, ring finger D string on the 6th fret, middle finger 5th fret on the B string. Next chord is going to be a G sharp minor 7, which is you're barring the entire 4th fret, and then putting your ring finger on the 6th fret on the A string. It's 4, 6, 4, 4, 4, 4. And then keep that exact same shape and go down to an F sharp minor 7. 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. And then finally, you're using just an A major bar chord, which is 5, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5. Once you get those chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. For every single one of these chords, you're doing a simple down, up, and muting. Those are the first 3. It pauses right there and does a little pickup back into the next chord, which is 2 on the low E, 2 on A, and then it goes back to that 4 where you're starting over on the C minor 7. So it looks like wait. And what I'm doing there is I go and then hit it with an up strum instead of down strumming, which you can down strum it if you want. But I like to just pick just that string, just that note there to kind of make it more pronounced. Hit it with that up strum, go to the next chord, same strumming pattern. Now here it gets a little bit different. You go up to that A chord, 1 down strum, and then you're picking high E, B, and then take your pinky off and put it on 7 on the B. So. Again, it's E, B, pinky on 7. So all together very slowly, this is what that looks like. Down, up, down, up, down, up, wait, up, down, up, down, up, down, 5, 5, 7. 5 on E, 5 on B, 7 on B. And then that whole thing just repeats throughout the entire song. So again, I'll do that slowly. Down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.